Novatech Engineering began with the determination to solve a meaningful challenge in the agricultural industry. That first breakthrough sparked a commitment, creating revolutionary solutions that paved a path for growth into a global manufacturing force. And through that growth, certain principles have guided the company forward: continuous improvement, practical problem solving, and strong partnerships that help elevate performance at every step.
In 1985, our company founders set out to create automation in the agricultural sector. 7 years later, Novatech was formed.
Novatech is well aware the growth they've enjoyed along the road to such global success comes with strong partnerships that have been nurtured and built over time. And that is certainly the case when Novatech Engineering found Mastercam. Novatech machining capability has improved and optimized using Mastercam, which in our great upper Midwest is supported and trained by the Mastercam software professionals representing a company called Prototech. As Novatech's machining capabilities expanded, so did the need for software that could keep pace with increasing part complexity and shorter lead times. They believe Mastercam has strengthened programming accuracy, improved workflow, and helped the team bring new levels of precision to every project.
Training they do there is top-notch. The guys down there are always willing to help you. If you have questions on the side, they'll do whatever. They're very responsive to emails, anything zip-to-go files, whatever you send them that we can't figure out here. The guys there are always getting it back to us in a very short time.
Went in for multiple classes and learned quite a bit. It's very easy to use, very intuitive. We've had very good support with the guys at Prototech too. You call them in and they help you right away and get down to it right away. So
I used Gibbs Cam for a little while, and when I got to Mastercam, it was far superior. I think all the other softwares out there are good at one thing, and Mastercam is good at a lot of things. One day we had a licensing issue, and they knew we couldn't be down, and they were on the phone in a second with us. So, I mean, any problem you have, they're there to help you out.
Novatech is growth-oriented. Innovation and technology are at the forefront of this highly diversified business model. Whether it be their proprietary patented inventions that promote growth and production increases in the agricultural market, or the wide variety of custom machining they offer to various markets, Novatech is a true world-class manufacturer. Such diverse capabilities are able to meet the needs of customers requiring a one-off prototype piece part to production runs in the tens of thousands, all while adhering to stringent quality standards and meeting committed deadlines. The facilities are impressive. Located in the classic Lake Country in central Minnesota, Novatech owns multiple buildings within a complex called the Midwest Technology Campus. It's here they've restored, built out, planned, developed, and sustained a growth-oriented manufacturing performance center.
Our relationship with Prototech has been fantastic. They really worked alongside of us. When we first started 30 years ago, it was a more simple product, but as things advanced, we needed 3D contouring, we needed a mill turn, we needed full fifth axis, and Prototech has been there for all those years to help us through those processes and train our team to be better.
There seems to be a development area for innovation and future thought around every turn. This is where the magic happens, while being quite aware, without their Mastercam, the outcomes would simply not meet the high standards they have set, not just for the company, but for their highly diversified customer base as well. That personalized service they receive from the talented support techs at Prototech have saved the company precious time and dollars. They rely upon Prototech and Mastercam to supply fast and workable solutions. It's a game changer and often places the Novatech product offering in higher demand. As customers know, this particular company always comes through, never gives up, performing to each customer requirement. Just like Mastercam does, and just like the professionals at Prototech do. This is three-part harmony, working together for outcomes that are successfully consistent and reliable. This approach works because the partnership is built on shared values: Novatech Engineering Mastercam and Prototech are aligned around one priority: supporting the customer, and strive to outperform any competitor. Through innovative process automation technology, Novatech serves industry across the globe. The same commitment to innovation drives their machining capabilities. From a custom prototype to a high-volume production run, each part is produced with precision and a focus on quality. The performance they achieve with Mastercam, backed by Prototech's reliable service, support, and training model, plays a meaningful role in their success. These tools and partnerships help Novatech Engineering deliver undeniable value to every customer they serve, all while continuing to reach higher levels of manufacturing excellence.